So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I must regret to inform you the Orbasto is dead. Long live the Webastardo? This is the Webastardo. Let me bring you in for a brief glimpse at the board, even though it is wrong, but not wrong, just kind of wrong. I'll explain all in a moment. Hold on, let's zoom into this goddamn thing. One of you zoom, I swear it is, right? And then we'll talk a bit about the dead project in a moment. Here is the Webastardo board. There is. That's the wrong controller ECU thing, so never mind. That's just a 5-volt power supply, and the rest of it's just wires and bits and bobs. So we had a few technical failures on the Orbasto boards, and everyone that looked at the board and how it ran and the way that it operated said it was basically dog shite. Let's not mess about. So and a death trap, I think, was also one of the other things somebody described it as. So what we've done is stopped that entirely. The Orbasto is now, to me, the Orbasto is dead. We have moved on to Simon's Webastardo, which is, if you recall, in a previous video we made a Webasto-based shower. So it's that code tweaked to not run like a shower. It just runs as a constant heat output pump. It varies the air and the fuel to maintain a constant output temperature. That is its goal, and just runs the water pump all the time. Unlike the shower one, which changed the speed of the shower water to reach the temperature as well. This one just runs the heater to set water temperature that you can set via programming in Arduino. Well, as you'll see in a moment, on its very first live run, it started and lit. Oh, it's speeding up, it's away, it's off! There we go, it's running! Yay! Okay. Now we just need to wait for the water to get hot. Right, we won't go too much into the do's, the don'ts, and the Webasto, that's going to be really hard to say from now on. Maybe that's why he changes its name. Webastardo? Yeah, I'm going to have to write it down so I can say it every time. Webastardo. Yeah, so this is just a quick video to tell you that Orbasto is dead, and Webastardo is what we'll be working on next. And I'll show you all the bits on the board and all the things you need to do and get and build, and it absolutely totally works, and your heater runs, and any comments, questions, so on and so forth, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try my best to answer them, or refer you to people who can answer them, or I'll ask the people who can answer them, and we'll come back, let's say, and visit this controller board thing in its own series of videos. And as always, thanks for watching.